Hey everyone! Today, we're turning old broken hard drives, the ones you usually just throw away, into an epic DIY lamp. Sounds crazy, right? Let's do it! I found a few dead HDDs that were headed for recycling. Let's pick one and take it apart. First, I remove all the screws around the edge. Then, I carefully lift the top cover with a knife. And look at this. A shiny mirror-like disc inside. It's beautiful. Next, I unscrew and take out the disc. This is going to be the centerpiece for our lamp design. Now let's get everything ready. I've mixed up some epoxy glue. We'll use it to stick the discs together, attach the LEDs, and fix the copper wire supports. I shape a frame from copper wire to make it strong and stable. I lay the discs on a heat-resistant mat. I put a plastic bag underneath so the glue doesn't stick to the mat. I arrange all the pieces to see the final shape. Looking good. I coat the LEDs with thermal adhesive for better heat transfer. Then, I attach them to the discs. Next, I glue the discs together and fix the copper support in place. Once the glue sets, it already looks awesome. To avoid fingerprints, I put on a white glove. Then I show the lamp from all angles. Wow, it looks absolutely stunning. Time to wire it up. We have 6 LEDs. I connect them in pairs in parallel. Then connect those pairs in series. I use thin wires for the parallel connections and thicker wires for the series. Finally, I connect the LED driver. Let's hang it on the ceiling. The lighting system has 2 parts. A recessed ceiling light to cover the hole, and our DIY HDD lamp hanging down to bounce light off the ceiling. This creates a soft, even glow. It's so eye-friendly and looks amazing. I pull out the ceiling wires, connect them, hide everything behind the suspended ceiling, close it with the built-in light, and adjust the height of our lamp. Turning it on, wow, it's absolutely fantastic.